Today's video, guys, we got Amos's new car here he just bought, and it seems to be stuck in gear, ain't it?
Yep.
I think you broke it.
You broke it.
I didn't break it. And basically, you turn the key on, show them what it's doing, Amos. This is an 06 Dodge Magnum, and it won't come out of gear. Now, there's a trick to this if you're stranded, and you don't want to replace that little piece in there that's broken. It's plastic. They got upgraded pieces in that. You want to pop this bezel off. And then, if you got a knife or a pen or something, why don't you show them, Amos, how to get it in gear. Well, you got to turn the car on too and press the brake for this. So just have to put the key on the on position. And then you got, hold on 1 minute, guys. You got a little, there you go, a cable. You stick the knife or a piece of pen, and then it will go in gear just like so. Pretty simple. Now, you can leave this in neutral and set your e-brake, and the car won't go away. You can actually leave it in neutral and turn it off, turn it on, and just use your e-brake for a while if it's in good shape till you get it fixed. You don't have to pay a high expensive tow bill or anything like that. Just drive it like that. Thank you for watching. Well, get it fixed though. Don't drive it like that forever. But hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, drop a like and hit that subscribe button and check the channel out for more content. Hope you enjoyed this super short video.